This video shows you how to adjust and align the fences for the Jobsite Saw and the Jobsite Saw Pro. The fence for the Pro is a little longer, but for the purpose of this video, the fences are otherwise functionally identical. To begin, as always, take precautions before working on the saw. Turn off the saw. Remove the lockout key. Unplug the saw. First, confirm the fence is locking properly. If the fence does not hold its position when locked, you can increase the clamping force. Unlock the fence, and then use the 3mm hex key to turn the adjustment screw clockwise to increase clamping force. You should only need to turn the screw a small amount. Adjust again as needed. The lock lever should offer some resistance as it snaps over center, but should not be too difficult to lock. If the lever requires too much force, unlock the fence and then turn the adjustment screw counterclockwise to reduce the clamping force. Here's a tip. Note that the fence may shift slightly when locking. To prevent the shift, unlock the fence, pull the fence away from the rail, and then lock the fence while you hold the fence away from the rail. This will limit contact between the fence lock and the rail until near the end of travel for the fence lock, minimizing the possibility of shift. Next, confirm the fence is parallel with the miter slots. Move the fence until the left face is flush with the right face of the right-hand miter slot at the front of the table. Lock the fence. Make sure the front portion of the fence is still flush after locking. Visually check and slide your fingers along the full width of the miter slot and the faceplate. If flush, that's great. There is no need for adjustment. In this example, the fence is not parallel with the miter slot. It's misaligned such that it's pivoted clockwise when looking down on the table. The misalignment in this illustration is greatly exaggerated for clarity. Unlock the fence and then slightly loosen the locking screw for the adjustment mechanism. The adjusting screw is located in the left side of the fence head assembly. In this example, I turn the adjusting screw clockwise to pivot the fence counterclockwise back into alignment. The rotation directions are as if looking at the left side of the fence. Check the alignment again. If flush, that's great. There is no need for adjustment. If not flush, repeat the alignment process. In this example, I turned the screw a little too much, so now I turn it counterclockwise to pivot the fence clockwise. Unlock the fence, and then tighten the locking screw for the adjustment mechanism. After adjusting the alignment, make sure the clamping force is still okay. Make sure the fence pointer is correctly calibrated with the ruler. To begin, fully raise the blade. Set the tilt to 0. Remove the insert, and then remove the blade guard or riving knife. Make sure the rails are fully retracted and locked. remove the low fence. Place the fence on the right side of the blade. Shift the fence until it rests lightly against the blade. Use a light touch here. Look directly down on the fence pointer. The reticle should be directly over 0. If not, use the 3mm hex key to loosen the screw and then slide the pointer until the reticle is directly over 0. Hold the fence pointer securely and then tighten the screw. That's it for adjustments and alignment for the fence. Install the blade guard or riving knife and the insert. Plug in the saw. Install the lockout key. You have learned how to adjust and align the fence for the Jobsite Saw and the Jobsite Saw Pro. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, contact SawStop Service.